We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so stay tuned. How do you go about pronouncing this one? British and American English pronunciations are different here. In British English, this is normally pronounced as pathos, pathos. In American English, however, it is usually said as pathos, pathos in American English versus pathos in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.